Critics have a different point of view. Kate Ruan is director of the Free Expression Project at the Center for Democracy and Technology. Kate, welcome to Here and Now.
Thanks, Scott. It's great to be here.
We just heard the congressman's concern. It's also reported TikTok employees accessed user data from two journalists. Now, the bill proponents say this bill will help protect user data. Does it?
Well, currently there is no public evidence that TikTok has shared user data with the Chinese government. Moreover, extracting data from TikTok is far from the only way that China could acquire U.S. person data. So a change in TikTok's ownership does not necessarily address those other vulnerabilities, but to the extent that it would make it more difficult for China itself to extract data from TikTok, it may have that effect. But I would also note that TikTok's data collection and use practices are comparable to many other social media companies based in the U.S. or other countries that collect data and use that data to sell advertising or deliver content.
When does it become a national security concern? Because, as you know, one of the proponents of this bill, Congressman Mike Gallagher, has said some of the data in question includes user age, phone number, location, internet access, device used, phone contacts, social network connections. At a certain point, does this indeed become a national security risk?
All of the data just mentioned is data collected by many other apps that is then oftentimes sold into vast data pools from which China and any other actor can just purchase it. And so removing China's access to TikTok's cache of that data does not remove China's access to that data. So if it is a national security concern, and I will admit that it is, we should pursue this by addressing the issue comprehensively. Otherwise, we actually have not restricted